Have you ever wondered how your favorite soda, Coca-Cola, is made? Let's take a deep dive into the fascinating process of Coca-Cola production. The journey begins with sourcing the ingredients: pure water, sugar, caramel, and a unique blend of natural flavors. The ingredients are carefully mixed in large tanks to create the signature syrup. This mixture gives Coca-Cola its characteristic taste. Now the secret formula is added. A blend of natural flavors, carefully measured, gives Coca-Cola its unique, world-famous taste. Next, carbonation is added. Carbon dioxide is injected into the syrup, creating the bubbles that make Coca-Cola so refreshing. The syrup is then mixed with chilled water and poured into bottles. The bottling process ensures each bottle is perfectly filled and sealed. Once filled, the bottles are labeled and sealed with caps, ensuring they're ready to be shipped around the world. Every bottle is carefully inspected to ensure it meets Coca-Cola's high-quality standards before it reaches the shelves. Finally, the bottles are loaded onto trucks and shipped worldwide, bringing Coca-Cola to millions of people. From secret formula to global refreshment, that's how Coca-Cola is made